just another day at Sunbelt Roofs here in Lakeview neighborhood of New Orleans on this very beautiful new build. Got to do that section yet, but this is a Fortified Certified home. We're about to put the final touches on. Just wanted to give you a quick update using GAF HDZ at the client's request. I just wanted to show you a high view from a big roof. So even new construction people understand the value and the benefits from going Fortified Certified. That little bump out section over what they're calling the outdoor living area will have standing seam metal, and we need to use a very specific panel from a certain manufacturer that has the wind testing to meet the Fortified. Just another shot of beautiful southeast Louisiana, Lakeview, New Orleans, Sunbelt Roofs. Check us out on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, our website, sunbeltroofs.com.